Hi everyone, in this video we're going to talk about supply analysis, and we can use the numbers, and in the next videos we're going to talk about demand analysis and at the end we can understand the relationship between supply and demand in each area, and understand in each area price will go down or will go off, will go down or will go up. Okay, so here in the first page, go to supply, go to delivery, and you can understand the delivered projects and market trends. So first, properties completed rate in 2025. Right now we have almost 65% delivered projects and 36 projects overdue. So it means they have delay. So number of yearly completed units. Guys, this is very important. And if you're watching this video and this is your first time, subscribe to our channel, smash the like button. And remember this is a series of videos. There's a playlist in my channel, in my YouTube channel, and we are going to talk about transactions, supply and demand analysis in Dubai real estate market. So this is very important, guys, because number of yearly completed units, it means how much we really have supply, not how much we promised to have supply. So in 2025, until now, we have 11,000 units. Let's say in 2024, the whole supply was around 8,000 units, 9,000 units, let's say 10,000 units in 2023. So this is the real supply. So here we go to latest delivered projects, as you can see here. This is Maidan, and this is Azizi Riviera, developer Azizi. Completion date is, for example, 27 March 2025. Number of units delivered, 188 units. Click here to view. As you can see, 188 units delivered, 108 units studios, 62 units 2-bedroom, 18 units 1-bedroom. So what does it mean? Sometimes it helps you to understand how much, for example, in Maidan we have studios, how much 2-bedroom we have delivered, how much 1-bedroom delivered. It helps you really understand the market. So JVC, for example, Bengati, this building, 279 units. Dubai South, all the units, all the projects. So here we have delivered units in Dubai per area. For example, JVC, we have the most delivered units, of course, 5,000 units. This is Maidan, 4,500, and goes down to Arjan, 834 units. Only delivered in 2024. If you can make it, if you click and make it 2025, you can see the number of delivered units in JVC, 2,000 units, because we're still in March. I'm making this video in March 2025, so 2,000 units until now. 1,200, and goes down to Town Square until now, 484 units. So this is the supply. So when you click here and you say launches, latest launch projects in Dubai, go to projects and properties under construction. Here we have 1,200 total projects launched, 300,048 units, total units we have supplies, but it's not delivered yet. Remember this. So number of yearly launched properties, we have 38,000 units launched in 2025, 37 units launched in 2024. And here we have something very nice, villa and apartments. Let's say apartment, you can see almost all of them are apartments. Villa, this is really interesting. Almost 10,000 is launched. We have in 2025, 3,000 units, 4,000 units in 2024. Let me give you a hint here. It's not the whole, but as you can see, we have something really interesting. What do you see? Wow. The number of launches in villas and townhouses, including townhouses, it's almost in 2025 as the last 3 years. So it means after 2029, probably we don't have a shortage of villas and townhouses in Dubai. Right now we have, because these numbers are very, very low in terms of when you compare that to demands. How we calculate the demand properties in Dubai? For example, how many townhouses we need in Dubai, how many villas we need in Dubai, how many penthouses we need in Dubai. This is very advanced topic, and we're going to talk about in the next videos. But right now, this is what we know about the supply in the market. And the good thing about supply is very solid. We know exactly how many units we have. We don't need any estimation. But for demand, we have statistics. We have some formulas from economics, some formulas from statistics, some formulas from mathematics to understand how many demands we have in the market. So property construction progress, as we can see here, future planned property supply. What does it mean? It means in the next 4 years, in the next 5 years, how many supplies we have right now. For example, right now, property supply in 2025 is 49,000. It means we have these launches. You understand? So it doesn't mean they are ready to move in. 68,000 units launches will be delivered in 2026. 49 units will be delivered in 2025. 60 units will be delivered in 2027. Okay. Are these numbers high, or are these numbers a lot of properties, or it's not high? It's not a high number for Dubai. How we compare, we have to understand the demand, and based on the demand, for example, if what we need every single year in Dubai is 100,000 units, these numbers all are very low. But if we need, for example, 40,000 units per year, these numbers are high. So we have to understand how many demands we have. We have to estimate the demand. And another thing, as I told you before, 1 bedroom demand, 2 bedroom demand, 3 bedroom demand are different demands. JVC demand and downtown demand is totally two different things. So we have a buyer who wants to invest in JVC to rent it out for 1 bedroom or a studio is one demand, is one target audience. Another person who's looking for 1 bedroom to live in downtown is something else. So we have to segment the demand in different sections: 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, 3 bedroom, and different locations. That's the real demand. And that's we can make it better. Then we can make it understand better. So planned unit deliveries in Dubai per area. And these are the areas. For example, in 2025, it should be delivered 6,400 units in JVC. This number is high or low for JVC. We don't know. We know we will have 6,000 units in JVC. But if we don't know the demand, we cannot say is it high or is it low. So after this, let's go to bets. In this section, we are going to analyze this one. And at the end of the video, I have a bonus for you. I will explain. So watch it until the end. Okay, these are the projects. As you can see. For example, let's say Island Park 2 in Dubai Creek Harbor. This is the average price per square foot. As I told you, this is not a good number for you because 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom are different products and we have 2 different average price per square foot. So this is not, it doesn't help you, in my opinion. in my humble opinion, it doesn't help you at all. So because why you need a price per square foot? Write this down for yourself. If you are a real estate agent or if you are an investor watching this video, write this down. Why do you need price per square foot? First of all, before price per square foot, you should have calculated, you should have understand, okay, based on the supply and demand analysis, I'm choosing Dubai Creek Harbor. I'm choosing Dubai Hills Estate. After that, when you go to Dubai Hills Estate, when you go to Dubai Creek Harbor and you want to buy property, you want to compare buildings by buildings, right? Now you need price per square foot. Should I buy Island Park 2 or should I buy Island Park 1? And based on average price per square foot, median price per square foot, you can understand, okay, I should buy a 2-bedroom in this building, in this floor, or I should buy that building, that floor, that unit. Okay, how many units we have? 1-bedroom, 2-bedroom, 3-bedroom. As you know, we don't have any studios in Dubai Creek Harbor. This is 1-bedroom, 2-bedroom. We have 45 units of 1-bedroom in this building, 66 units of 2 bedrooms in this building, and 43 units of 3 bedrooms in this building. And totally, we have, what is this? Commercial. This is commercial. So this is the whole number of the buildings, total units completion. 18 February completed this building, and that's it. So this section will help you to understand. And you can go to next and see other properties. You can go to active, finished, and you can understand, okay, here you can understand all the properties finished in the last 3 months. Okay? Okay, very good. I think that's it for this video. Subscribe to our channel. Oh, okay, the bonus. Let's talk about the bonus. Here, let's go to transactions. In the last video, in the first video, in this section, in this playlist, I talked about downtown Dubai Creek Harbor. Now, of course, most of you know this, but let's say, for example, I want to check a property in, let's say, Privé, all buildings. There are 2 towers in Business Bay. I want to see, for example, what's the price of a studio in Privé by Domoc in Business Bay. So let's say it's a ready-to-move-in property. So let's say studios. Let's say in the last 3 months, search. Okay. The average price right now is 1 million dirhams, 1,600,000 dirhams. And the price per square foot, the average price is 2,400 per square foot. And these are the number of transactions in the last 3 months. And these are the prices, as you can see. And these are all the transactions. In the last 3 months. So now, if I want to buy a property in this building studio for investment, buy to rent, for example, now I can check. Okay, I got an idea how much I have to pay. Something around this number. The less, the better, right? But and different floors, as you can see. 23, 21, 26. Okay. Another thing is, are you sure that these prices are the exact? So you have to understand the layout, the view, the floor. As I said before, the layout, the view, the floor. So for example, someone telling you, for example, 1.1 million dirhams for the property, and you look at this price, you will say definitely for sure 1.1 is too much, but it's not too much because this is 7th floor and your property is, for example, in the 15th floor. Let's say this one, 1.1 million dirhams. So this property, this layout, this floor, maybe they have a canal view, balcony. And for example, sometimes you have to add some other factors like balcony. Some of these, for example, studios, they don't have balcony. So the prices will be a little bit cheaper. Some of them they have balcony with canal view, with water view. so are much more expensive. So with these, all of the investors, all of the real estate agents have help to understand: am I buying this expensive or am I buying this in a good price? Is this a distressed deal? It's a fair price, or is this expensive? Distressed deal, fair price, expensive. We have this 3. So I hope you can go with this, work with this, and remember, with these numbers, real estate clients, investors, buyers, they still need us. Why? Because we are the people, we are the consultants that we should interpret these data. These numbers need interpretations, needs explanations. Okay, I hope it can help you, these informations. See you in the next videos.